Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're currently on a roof slab today. We never did a show that project yesterday. Only on Instagram I give some snippets on this project. However, we're doing a casting today. I just think it is cool of me to just make a quick little video of the casting, because you guys might be interested, and who knows, somebody might learn something. So for the most part, yesterday we done preparation for the casting, and today now we're doing like a final check, final inspection. We come early, and I see a few things that I did leave out. I'm just deal with them right now. So yeah, this video I go solely consist of the casting, how we go about it, and just the finishing product. This is it over here, so half the slab cast already, and yeah, I'm gonna install some extension pieces for the drains coming on a concrete getting at them, and it is the way it's supposed to be done. So this is the pipe. I'm gonna use a couple drains where I'm gonna extend and cast the part that I want drain pipe with the out there, so the other part I'm gonna use the part I'm gonna need a coupling part, and yeah, squeeze them in, soon go through all of that. I always check to make sure, so when I plug in and stuff like that. These are the extension pieces. Alright, so we'll come back for these. But this is my first bit, as I tell you. Coupling piece. Oh, come on, boy. Cement bag here, cement bag. Cement bag. In each one of them. And then we go look. These now. Not like a bad boy. And I cement bag up here. I don't need enough cement bag. I just need maybe one. Yeah. Cool. Oh crap! This is a drop. Look at this. Yeah. So of course, we get a car a while ago, and anything we can go wrong will go wrong. So I might be expecting the truck a little later than I expected, but they are before the sun is, or then our son comes to me, and you know, really surprised because multiple times he come out and see me. But we plan for doing this early. I have other things to do. However, I wait in the afternoon before my cast, so just giving a tour up here. So as per usual, our most professional person can attest to this. We don't normally get the job first, but we get it in our last half and we complete it. So we get this unit exactly where you see it. I do this side of the unit, and we are go up, and I go finish this right way. However, I'm not gonna really talk about what took place before, but it wasn't the best. But we're gonna make this building better than how it was. So we had to do this completely professional, completely upon another level, far different from is that what them are going with. So come on this journey. As I say, I'm gonna really go film that project here. Sadly, and unfortunately, but I'm going to some nice little footage once in a while on this unit, but just know we're working. So this unit is going to be an amazing work of art, trust me. when it's finished, it is going to be an amazing work of art. Due to the fact, you know, say you don't know your boy the pony, I would do nothing less than an amazing work of art. So we're there and boom, set up some screeds. So I would screed. So whilst we are cast, we'll take time, take them up and whoa. As you can see, some of my screed are not in there, so but we're gonna run with a little card for all of them junction there, and with the tight in a spacing. But we're gonna run with card and fill out all of them little part there over there. So however, we might have to go catch back a level as this side end up being higher than that side, as that kind of drop a little bit. So we're gonna catch back a level. Yo, trust me, it's gonna be a work of art. We can resurrect anything. You know, any building, as long as you put an artist on it, you can be at a level where people pay top dollar for the art, you know. You know, when you usually see me in my shades, I probably wonder how comes me in my shades today. I don't know. I never pull up my shades this morning because as I say, I just want to deal with this real quick and then I get in my vlogging mode. However, I just have a prana where I can work with. So as I say, this building over here, so I'm not judge my steel work in a shot of nothing. In a shot of nothing. I go. This was a quarter span building. For those who know what quarter span mean. The quarter span are only with the over support, which is quarter the span of the decking, and yeah, I have all of my over support over my beams. I have about 1, 2, 3 hidden beams in this, and yeah, slowly but surely I'm telling some very good news. Chuck I run late. Yeah. Jaja, Chuck I go run late Rasta man tell me say, you don't know typical man, I not remember a story and tell me, I'm see it as Bo PS. So him say in the afternoon. I don't know what for. If it was just as easy as the friend say a man saying can't show up today and you get another man real quick. Can't go like that. Let's go and watch a football match and I see him there. What is it left for do? We'll see what else is left for do. So yeah, how you guys been? Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Merry belated Christmas, Merry happy belated New still New Year. Happy New Year. And as I said, we're there. All on the construction need, every single one on a million. I'm not telling no lie. Me emails. It is appreciated. Me WhatsApp, it is appreciated. And yeah. We are going to do a continuous serve the diaspora and the local people them, and make as much people as we can make happy. You know, can't force it to be happy. I can't fully make myself sad for you happy. However, we try to work out something. But we're here. We're on a concrete truck. Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law. All day, every day. Day has started. Somewhat amount of traffic here right now. Pump truck reach, and we soon to start pour concrete. So we're getting about 4 trucks. It's 10-yard truck. So I get about 4 trucks, and they're supposed to be finishing an hour and change depending upon the space between each truck. A quick little pour, I got float, I have a bowl float, and screed afterwards towards the drains. So hopefully we have a good one. I'm running a dumpy them already, so don't worry about it. So for the past couple minutes now, the pump truck I try to let out the boom. It's probably 15 minutes it takes to extend this boom. It is crazy. However, I already soaked this, and this is soaked for suction purposes. If you don't ever know that, it is soaked for suction purposes, and when you wet, you create the look of film, thin film where you need to separate the ply from the concrete, so easy for de-shutter. However, if you don't do that, just know the board I go suck out the water out of the concrete and that sort of thing. So there. Still across the finger for a good day, because the universe, Murphy's Law. No man really escape, you know. So here comes truck number 1. Gable down. You're afraid, guy, yo. You're gonna make it. Oh, there you know. Yeah, you have to go with that the load there. Come on. Come in now. Show them you already. Okay, that's a one chop. Tell me very much. First time I see somebody do something like that. Eh? First time I see somebody do something like that. Yeah. Oh man, this is not nothing to do with floating. So, I screwed off. I'll finish off with another truck there. 3 more trucks to go. 30 yards. Cubic yard. So we have a little issue with the truck being able to back up to the pump truck. It's truck number 2. So cross the finger, I go well, but it not get no traction. Them supposed to know to work out them things. still face the challenge. I'm going to figure it out tonight because I'm going to give me a full joint. I have to figure this out. I don't want to go down there and I honestly don't want to go down there. They come far, you know. Alright, we'll see what they matter. Let's hope that this time they actually make it up. So me in universe, one for the Ismash. My bill boost. Come in, the concrete starts setting up. You see when it starts show the water on top. Come in turbo. I'm very optimistic, you know. Alright, feel like that one you're eating. See confidence by everybody's face. Alright. Gagait man, gagait. So we are boiling down to the last pour of the day. Just a clean up a little bit. Supposed to get some concrete in that, and that's about it. That me telling about coal giant. You can see we're in which you did have the delay with the truck. We couldn't make it up. See, don't worry about this. This we had some retarder. I had retarder in it as well as go for like an hour worth crap. We had some retarder in it and go for like an hour worth of delay. We still see what the coal giant is. But this I go have a unit over it, so you're not fully exposed for any leakage or anything like that. But with the retarder, try aim for 2 hours max. If you get 3 hours and I go kill you, but max try aim for 2 hours max with the retarder. So yeah, Team Ismash, that concludes today's vlog. Basically, we finished cast. You guys see the aftermath of a long day. I start off my day from 5 AM this morning, and now is 6 PM in the evening, and we're still on site. What caused that is Murphy's Law. Just a bunch of stuff ought to not go your way all the time. However, still stay positive. Don't look on everything as every little sign. Even yesterday I saw the rain falling yesterday as bad omen. However, man, keep my spirits up. As I say, I'm a optimistic person, not a pessimistic person. So Team Ismash, I appreciate you guys for sticking here right through the video, making it today, and please give this video a like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Team Ismash, see you in the next video. I am out.